Effective ways to unclog your vape pen.
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing some effective ways to unclog your vape pen. If you've been experiencing issues with your vape pen not producing enough vapor or getting clogged, this video is for you. Stick around, and we'll go through some helpful techniques to get your vape pen back in working order.
Cleaning the mouthpiece and airflow.
The first area we'll tackle is the mouthpiece and airflow of your vape pen. Over time, residue from the e-liquid can accumulate, leading to clogs. Cleaning these parts regularly is crucial for optimal performance. Here's what you can do. 1. Remove the mouthpiece from your vape pen. This can usually be done by unscrewing or gently pulling it off. 2. Inspect the mouthpiece for any visible residue or debris. If you see any, wipe it off using a clean cloth or tissue. 3. Check the airflow vents on your vape pen. Sometimes, these can become clogged as well. Use a cotton swab or a small brush to remove any dirt or buildup from the vents. 4. Rinse the mouthpiece with warm water to further clean it. Make sure it's completely dry before reattaching it to your vape pen.
Clearing the coil and tank.
If your vape pen is still experiencing issues after cleaning the mouthpiece and airflow, it's time to move on to the coil and tank. Clogs in these areas can significantly impact your vaping experience. Here's what you can do. 1. Remove the tank from your vape pen. This can usually be done by unscrewing it from the battery. 2. Inspect the coil inside the tank. If you notice any gunk or residue, it's likely causing the clog. Gently clean the coil using a cotton swab or cloth, being careful not to damage it. 3. Empty the e-liquid from the tank. Dispose of any remaining e-liquid properly. 4. Rinse the tank with warm water to remove any lingering residue. Allow it to dry completely. 5. Reassemble the tank by screwing it back onto the battery. Make sure it's securely attached.
Troubleshooting tips.
If the previous steps didn't resolve the issue, here are some additional troubleshooting tips you can try. 1. Check the battery of your vape pen. Ensure it's charged properly and functioning correctly. 2. Replace the coil if it's old or damaged. Coils have a lifespan and may need to be replaced periodically. 3. Adjust the wattage settings on your vape pen. Sometimes, using the wrong wattage can lead to clogging issues. 4. Use a different e-liquid. Thick or high viscosity e-liquids can cause clogs more easily. Try using a thinner e-liquid and see if the issue persists. Remember, if you're unsure about any of these steps, it's always a good idea to consult the user manual or contact the manufacturer for specific guidance. And there you have it. We've covered some effective ways to unclog your vape pen. By regularly cleaning the mouthpiece, airflow, coil, and tank, you can keep your vape pen in optimal condition. If you're still experiencing issues, don't hesitate to try the troubleshooting tips or seek assistance from the manufacturer. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and happy vaping!